a restored Chevy C10, two affordable Thunderbirds, and a classic Mustang for under $7,000. You won't believe what's for sale today.
Welcome back. Today, we're featuring another exciting collection of classic cars for sale from across the United States. You'll see everything from iconic Ford Thunderbirds and a beautifully restored Chevrolet C10 pickup to a rare gull-wing kit car and an affordable first-generation Ford Mustang. Watch until the end, because one of these classics might be the best bargain we've featured yet. Let's jump right in.
Car number 1, a 1961 Buick LeSabre sedan located in Chicago, Illinois, with an asking price of $8,500. This beautiful survivor still wears its original gold paint and is powered by Buick's legendary 364 cubic inch nailhead V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The only modification is a brand new true dual exhaust system, giving the classic Buick a deeper, richer V8 sound while keeping the rest of the car remarkably original. If you appreciate honest survivor cars that are built for comfortable cruising, this LeSabre is definitely worth a closer look.
Car number 2. (1966) Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Moving on to car number 2, we have a 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe from Norwalk, Ohio, listed at $8,000. This numbers-matching Thunderbird is powered by its original 390 V8 and remains largely untouched, making it especially appealing to collectors who value originality. The seller mentions some rust beginning to appear on the rear quarter panels, but replacement panels are included with the sale. Inside, the interior is described as clean and well cared for. At this price, it's an affordable way to own one of Ford's most stylish personal luxury cars of the 1960s. Car number 3, a 1969 Ford F-250 Long Bed. Next is car number 3, a 1969 Ford F-250 Long Bed located in King George, Virginia, offered at $9,000. This truck comes with a unique story. It once served on a Christmas tree farm, and you can still see the mounting holes where the original tree rack was installed. Under the hood is a rebuilt 390 FE V8 with performance upgrades including a mild camshaft, Holley carburetor, headers, Flowmaster side exhaust, an upgraded radiator, and a fresh fuel tank. The truck isn't currently running due to what appears to be an ignition issue, but the seller believes it's close to being back on the road. For someone looking for a solid classic truck with character, this F-250 has plenty of potential. Car number 4, 1968 Ford F-100. Now let's check out car number 4, a 1968 Ford F-100 from Seneca Falls, New York, priced at $7,000. Originally equipped with a 352 V8, this truck now runs a 351 Windsor backed by a C6 automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and drives well, features power steering and power brakes, and came from North Carolina, meaning it's largely free from rust except for a small repairable area on the tailgate. With a clean interior and classic long bed styling, this F-100 is ready to be driven and enjoyed. Car number 5, 1950 Pontiac Silver Streak Business Coupe. We'll finish this part with car number 5, a 1950 Pontiac Silver Streak Business Coupe, located in Toledo, Ohio, listed at just $5,000. Powered by Pontiac's smooth-running inline-8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this classic is more than just a project. It already runs and drives. The seller has installed new brakes and brake lines, while noting that the trunk, floors, and frame remain solid. Best of all, the seller says you can simply buy it and drive it home. For anyone looking to enter the classic car hobby without spending a fortune, this Silver Streak is one of the best bargains in today's lineup. Car number 6. A 1967 Dodge Dart GT. Let's begin with car number 6, a 1967 Dodge Dart GT, located in White Lake, Michigan, with an asking price of $7,500. This mostly original Dart GT is powered by its 273 cubic inch small block V8 and automatic transmission. According to the seller, it runs, drives, and stops well, with working wipers, radio, headlights, turn signals, and reverse lights. The only issues mentioned are a bad heater core, non-working brake lights, and carpet that could use replacement after an earlier floor repair. The original wheels and factory hubcaps are also included. For anyone looking for an affordable classic Mopar that's still largely original, this Dart GT is a solid choice. Car number 7, 1968 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Moving on to car number 7, we have a 1968 Cadillac Coupe DeVille from Clay, New York, listed at $8,000. Showing around 91,000 original miles, this big luxury coupe has reportedly been gone through mechanically and is described as needing nothing to enjoy as a driver. The seller is honest about its condition, saying it's not a show car, but it's a dependable cruiser and an excellent candidate for a future full restoration. With its unmistakable late 60s Cadillac styling and comfortable ride, this Coupe DeVille offers a lot of classic luxury for the money. Car number 8, 1964 Buick Riviera Coupe. Next is car number 8, a 1964 Buick Riviera Coupe, located in Lockbourne, Ohio, priced at $5,000. Widely regarded as one of the most beautifully designed American cars of the 1960s, this Riviera is being sold as a rolling project. It still wears its original silver paint, the complete interior remains with the car, and the body reportedly has only a few small rust spots and minor dents. The original Wildcat engine is missing, but the transmission remains installed, giving the next owner the opportunity to build the Riviera exactly the way they want. For someone searching for a rewarding restoration project, this is a very attractive starting point. Car number 9, a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe from Raymond, Ohio, offered at $7,000. This first-generation Camaro is a serious project car. It comes with a clear title, but no engine or transmission, and the seller believes it was previously built as a drag racing car. It's currently a rolling chassis that will require a complete restoration, making it best suited for experienced builders or anyone wanting to create a custom Camaro from the ground up. Projects like this require plenty of work, but they also offer endless possibilities. Car number 10, 1967 Ford Falcon Standard. We'll finish today's lineup with car number 10, a 1967 Ford Falcon located in Kokomo, Indiana, listed at $5,000. Finished in off-white with a blue interior, this classic Ford retains its original style wheels and classic chrome trim. The seller says the engine runs, although it occasionally runs rough, possibly because of a distributor issue. There's also a leaking brake line, so the car currently can't be safely test-driven. Despite those mechanical needs, it comes with a clean title and offers an affordable opportunity for someone looking to restore a simple, honest American classic. Car number 11. A 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Let's continue with car number 11, a 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, located in Hamilton, Michigan, priced at $8,800. This classic personal luxury car is described as a true turnkey cruiser that's ready to hit the road. The seller recently completed a fresh service, making it easy for the next owner to simply get in and drive. Powered by Ford's smooth big block V8 and automatic transmission, The 1966 Thunderbird remains one of the most comfortable highway cruisers of its era. If you're looking for a stylish classic that needs very little attention, this Thunderbird deserves a look.
Car number 12, 1966 Ford Thunderbird.
Next is car number 12, another 1966 Ford Thunderbird, this one located in Warsaw, Indiana, with an asking price of $8,500. Finished in blue inside and out, this Thunderbird is equipped with the dependable 390 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. According to the seller, it runs and drives great and is ready to cruise immediately. They're even willing to provide a walk-around video with the engine running for serious buyers. Finding a solid, drivable Thunderbird at this price is becoming increasingly difficult.
Car number 13, 1964 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed. Moving on to car number 13, we have a 1964 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed from Ortana, Pennsylvania, listed at $9,800. This truck has undergone a frame-off restoration with new floors, rockers, cab supports, and countless replacement parts throughout. Power comes from a smooth-running 283 V8 paired with the classic 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, giving it an authentic vintage driving experience. The only issue mentioned is a bad alternator, but the seller says the truck can be jump-started and driven for a test drive. For under $10,000, this restored C10 offers tremendous value.
Car number 14. (1962) Volkswagen Bradley GT Gullwing. Now let's check out car number 14, a 1962 Volkswagen Bradley GT Gullwing, located in Paragon, Indiana, offered at $6,600. Built on the dependable Volkswagen Beetle platform, the Bradley GT is a unique kit car famous for its dramatic gullwing doors and futuristic styling. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, the seller says it runs and drives great while retaining its original interior. If you enjoy unusual classics that attract attention everywhere they go, this Bradley GT is certainly one of the most unique vehicles in today's lineup. Car number 15, 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. We'll finish today's collection with car number 15, a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe from Nashville, Tennessee, listed at $6,500. This first-generation Mustang runs and drives, although the seller recommends transporting it on a trailer to be safe. Described as a fun around-town car, it's also an ideal candidate for restoration. As an added bonus, a brand-new Alden American suspension kit is included with the sale. For someone wanting an affordable entry into classic Mustang ownership, this project offers plenty of potential and one of the most recognizable silhouettes in automotive history. That wraps up today's collection of classic cars for sale. Which one would you take home? The restored 1964 Chevy C10, the stylish 1966 Thunderbird, or the legendary 1965 Ford Mustang? Tell us your favorite in the comments below. We love hearing your opinions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe for more classic cars for sale every week, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.